Forget Bugattis. The most expensive car in the world is a 70-year-old classic, and it costs more than a private jet. Today, we rank the rarest multi-million-dollar vintage cars in history. Let's open the vault. If you're vibing with this, show some love with a like and subscribe. It helps us keep the momentum going. Oh, and ring that bell so you never miss a beat. Built in a backyard to beat Ferrari, this American beast was once lost for decades. A woman hid it in a storage rental unit, completely unaware of its $25 million value. This legendary 1907 Rolls-Royce earned its $70 million value by running 15,000 miles continuously without a single mechanical breakdown. setting the gold standard for reliability. To buy this $70 million masterpiece in the 1960s, Enzo Ferrari had to personally approve you. He'd reject buyers if he felt they didn't respect the brand. Only 4 were made, and one mysteriously vanished during World War II. If found today, that lost Bugatti would easily be worth over $100 million. Selling for a jaw-dropping $142 million, this is the most expensive car ever sold. Only 2 exist, and it was so fast in 1955 that its creator used it as his daily commuter. Thanks for the support. If you enjoyed this, I've picked out 2 more videos just for you. Go ahead and click one. More greatness is just a click away. Peace.